So, again, congratulations to the newly set of officers of PDP Laban. Let's give them a big hand, please. At this point, we go to the next agenda, and that is during the convention that we had in Cebu in April this year. We presented to you the three candidates for senators of PDP Laban. And they are here with us, and I would like the moderator to please do the introduction.
In our consultation with the different members and party officers in the local level, the National Executive Committee, in the meeting that was conducted recently before this National Assembly, we have passed a resolution to nominate the re-election of Senator Bongo, Senator Bato de la Rosa, and the election of Mr. Philip Salvador to be the party senatorial candidates in the 2025 senatorial elections. May we ask the three candidates please stand up? And let us ask them if they are going to accept the nomination of the party. Mr. Philip Salvador, please, you have 1 minute to say your piece.
Nakauna ba?
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Simple lamang po yung sa akin. Araw-araw marami akong batikos na tinatanggap, pero okay lang po sa akin yan. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi alam ko, nandyan lahat ng PDP para sumuporta. Kung ako po'y matatakot doon sa mga pagbabatikos nila, hindi ako PDP. Ako po'y PDP, mamamatay na PDP. Tinatanggap ko po ang aking nominasyon. Maraming salamat po sa buhay ng bawat PDP. Mabuhay po kayo.
Thank you, Mr. Salvador. Mabuhay si Philip Salvador!
Mabuhay!
Mr. Vice Chairman, may I also ask Senator Bato de la Rosa to say his piece?
Magandang gabi sa ating lahat. Aayaw pa ba ako? Andito na ako eh. Kaya, alam nyo, even before the recent developments, no, I was really decided, I have already decided to run again for re-election. Lalong-lalo na ngayon, na halos araw-araw, kung makita nyo dyan sa Quad Committee ng House of Representatives, na araw-araw binubugbog tayo. Hindi ako papayag na tayo'y bubugbugin na lang na forever. Lalaban tayo. Kaya nga tama ngayon, PDP laban. Laban kahit na araw-araw tayong ginigipit, araw-araw tayong sinisiraan, araw-araw tayong inuupakan, laban pa rin. Laban pa rin. Hindi tayo atras dito. As I have said, temporaryo lang yan. Bilog ang mundo. Bilog ang mundo. Iikot ang mundo. Iikot ang mundo. Kaya yung mga tao na yan na nanggigipit sa atin ngayon, hindi man ugali ng tatak Duterte, hindi man tatak Duterte yung re-risback. Wala yan. Never yan. Since day one ng aking pagkakilala ng Duterte brand of leadership, hindi ko talaga naramdaman na ginagamit yung kaniyang official capacity para risbakan yung kanya mga political enemies. Never! Kaya, paano natin sila risbakan? Just in case, tayo'y mag-survive, 2025, matawid namin ni Senator Bongo, ni Philip Salvador, at kung sino pang sasama sa ating partido, pag matawid natin ang 2025, ipakita natin na tayo'y tumakbo, naging politiko, para magserbisyo at gumawa ng maayos, hindi para manira ng kapwa. Yun lang ating hinahangad. Kaya sana, with the help of each and every one of us here, andito sa loob ng bulwagang ito, ipakita natin yung pamamaraan ng ating partido na PDP kung paano tayo magserbisyo. Hindi tayo dapat pupunta sa gutter politics. Yun lang po ang aking masasabi. Maraming salamat. Magandang gabi sa tila.
Well, maraming salamat, Senator Bato. Ang tapang ni Senator Bato. May I also ask now